Papa Smurf.
What?
We have a big problem.
What's the problem?
There's a storm coming.
I always know a storm's coming. There's no storm coming. Don't lie to me, son.
I'm not. The iPhone says so.
The iPhone never lies.
Never.
We have to go warn the villagers.
There's not much time. It's already starting.
What?
Yes.
What?
No! I never wish I was dying this way.
Me neither.
The storm should be almost over. Just hold on.
It's dying down.
Yes. We must go see if the villagers are okay. Come on.
Let's go.
This way. Come
This
on.
way.
No, this way.
Okay.
This way. Come on. They're all right. Let's go back. Let's go. Now the villagers are right. Let's make sure that we're all right. No scratches. No. Split, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, we're holding hands.
8, 9, 10. Yes, our exercises have finished and the storm is fully over.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
What? The storm, it should be dying down. I swear, the iPod never lies. Let me see. It's over. It's over. There's no aftershock. It's over. It's over.
Thank God.
Let's go see if the villagers are okay again.
Okay, come on.
This way. This way. Come on,
Villagers.
old man. This way.
Oh, good. The villagers are okay.
This way. How do you know?
The villagers.
That way. You went into
Okay,
your
okay.
house. You went into your house. Papa Smurf.
What?
Where'd you go? You like disappeared. Papa Smurf! Wake up!